5 Advanced Twitter Lead Generation Tips. If you tweet regularly, use image and videos often, and socialize more than you sell, you can generate a lot of leads on Twitter. You should also use plenty of keywords and hashtags you want to be found for in your Twitter bio. You need to generate an engaging cover photo that includes a call to action, and you should be tweeting, retweeting, and interacting with your followers and prospects daily. Those tried and true but simple tactics work well to build an email list or prospect pool. When you want to harness the full lead capture ability of Twitter, you need to use some proven advanced tactics. The following Twitter lead generation tips and strategies are the ones the pros use every day to maximize their efforts on the world's second largest social media site. Point 1. Approach lead generation tweets differently. If you are just tweeting for engagement, you can create some catchy text, a hashtag or two, an image, and you are ready to go. When you attempt to use tweets to create leads, you have to take a little different approach if you want your efforts to succeed. Lead gen tweets deliver the best results when they are simple and straightforward. Make them as short as possible, and don't worry about using all your allotted characters. The attention span of web surfers is short and is getting shorter all the time. When your message is to the point, and you have a clear call to action, CTA, like a link to your email opt-in page, you will get better performance than a long update that is ambiguous and unclear. Use the link shortening website bit.ly to make your actionable link as short as possible. If your clickable link is awkward and ugly, this can actually lower your click-through rate. Don't include multiple mentions or links. Just one CTA, clear direction about what to do, a catchy image and a short message, combine to make a high-performance lead gen tweet. Point 2. Try Twitter Cards. Twitter has a feature that is custom-made for generating leads. Twitter lead generation cards work so well because they allow you to add people to your email list or prospect pool without them having to leave Twitter. People on social media sites are there to hang out and socialize. They don't always like the idea of being removed from their favorite social media hangout. Twitter Cards, among other excellent features, have the ability to generate leads without your prospects feeling as if they are being routed through some sales funnel. As Twitter states, with Twitter Cards, you can attach rich photos, videos, and media experience to tweets that drive traffic to your website. Simply add a few lines of HTML to your web page, and users who tweet links to your content will have a card added to the tweet that's visible to all their followers. This means a Twitter user, whether they are a follower of yours or not, can join your email newsletter, buy a product or service, download an application, or perform some other actions without moving off their Twitter feed. This makes them feel comfortable, not like they are being sold to or manipulated. The fewer steps a prospect must take for you to get them to take the required action, the higher your odds of making the conversion you seek. There are 8 different Twitter cards, and each of them offers different lead gen properties. Buffer has created a Twitter card primer to help get you started. Point 3. Twitter search box can be used to generate content ideas. Twitter moves a mile a minute, especially when you have a large group of followers. The average tweet stays on screen approximately 30 seconds, and if your followers are active, it may not even last that long. This means it is crucial to link your tweets to topics and subjects that are driving engagement right now. You can use Twitter's search feature to discover what topics are currently red hot. Then you simply come up with a clever way to attach your call to action, tweet topic or lead generating link to subjects that are getting a lot of action. Take the following steps to come up with fresh ideas about what to tweet about, while also using trending topics to improve your click-through rate and lead gen success. Go to Twitter search. Across the bottom of the way, you will see several hashtags, words, and phrases listed under a section titled Trends for You. These are the trending topics which are lighting up the Twitterverse. Find one that relates to your industry or niche, or one of the red-hot topics that you can somehow relate to your message. You need to heed a word of warning here. Blindly attaching your tweet to an irrelevant topic, even though it is popular right now, can do more than good. For Use Twitter Advanced Search, you just learned an advanced tactic for using Twitter's basic search feature to generate leads. Now you are going to step up your game, using a veteran tactic that harnesses even more power from Twitter search. This is an excellent targeting feature which allows you to see anyone that is currently on Twitter who matches a set of selection data you enter. A London-based company could immediately target other Twitter users in London, and you can also look for people who made specific statements or asked particular questions. Head over to https://goo.gl/rblfk. Enter your search term. For example, you can look for people who have searched for "I need a London SEO specialist." You can then add date ranges to keep your data relevant and updated, and filter according to specific Twitter accounts. You can also limit your results to negative or positive input, retweets, questions, and other information. Use this feature to find any and every tweet mentioning your username or the username of industry leaders in your field. Point 5. Schedule and automate your tweets. As a business owner, you have a lot to do. If you are a one-man or one-woman operation, like so many internet entrepreneurs and coffee table business owners, you may find it harder than most to create the free time needed for your Twitter lead gen tasks. Unlike some other social media networks, Twitter requires that you continually post content if your marketing efforts are going to pay off. You will find that 5 to 10 tweets each day, spread out over an 8 to 12-hour time frame, will provide the biggest bang for your lead gen buck. Beginners to Twitter often find this daunting. Point 1. Way to ensure you are regularly and consistently posting content is to do so on your smartphone. It only takes a few seconds to retweet the content of others, mention a particular user, or create and publish a brand new tweet. However, even if you are pretty quick at tweeting and interacting with others on Twitter, your time investment can still add up. That's why you should consider using the following Twitter automation tools to schedule your tweeting and lead generation efforts for you. They allow you to schedule new updates and republish your most popular content for dates and times in the future. This means once a week you could spend an hour or so creating and scheduling your Twitter content delivery, and then the following software suites and applications take care of the process for you on autopilot. CoSchedule. This marketing calendar does more than just allow you to schedule your updates on Twitter and other social media sites. Their editorial calendar gives you the ability to plan your social updates for immediate delivery or schedule them for later. Also, you can publish at those times which have proven to provide maximum interaction, and you can upload large amounts of updates and previous tweets to be republished on a regular schedule. Buffer. This is one of the most popular social media management applications. You can handle your Facebook, Google+, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Twitter accounts from one dashboard. With this app, it is easy to plan the delivery of your updates for a later time, including videos and images. Social Oomph. Put simply, this is an effective social media scheduling tool. It works with Twitter and other popular social media networks, allowing you to monitor and track mentions, retweets, keywords, hashtags, and other data. It has a built-in link shortener, so you have more room in your tweet for your message, rather than a link. Post Planner. You can tell from the name exactly what this application does. Instead of just planning and scheduling your content for you, which is evident from the name, you can additionally use this app to find out what keywords and hashtags are generating the most interest. One of many nice features is that Post Planner knows the best time to post, and it will automatically share and retweet great content.